Welcome to my YouTube channel. Financial Learning. For rules of money, to get rich fast, learn from the experts. The 4 rules of money are the foundation of financial success. If you want to get rich fast, it's essential to understand and follow these principles. Learn from the experts how to manage your money wisely, invest strategically, and create lasting wealth. In this video, we will discuss the 4 rules of money that can help you build wealth quickly and securely. Number 1, set clear financial goals. You need to start by understanding what is important to you and what you want to achieve financially. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Number 2, create a budget and stick to it. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income and all your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments, and variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and shopping. Number 3, pay off your debt. The first step to paying off your debt is to make a list of all your outstanding balances and prioritize them by interest rate. The debt with the highest interest rate should be your top priority. By paying off the high-interest debt first, you'll save money in the long run by avoiding accumulating interest. Number 4, keep learning and expanding your skills. If you want to build wealth quickly, it's a key component of the 4 rules of money, if you want to be rich fast. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself, and remember that the knowledge and skills you acquire will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, comment, and subscribe.